Welcome back to week 3. Today we're going under the scope of brake fluid in your car and why it's important to change the brake fluid. You know, you always see it discolored. This is my 2019 Ford F-150, and it's not to clean this, but it's also got some dirt in there. So I just sucked some of it up, put it in here. We're going to put it under the scope and see what happens. Put a couple drops on there. Move this over here. And here we go. You guys know the routine here. Here's what we do. We go into the scope and we look for stuff we don't know. Stuff that exists. Like this is the edge of the fluid. Now, this was on 4X, so we're going to also, as you can see, we're already starting to see stuff move around. So we're going to move this over here into the middle a little bit. See if we can zoom in on it. So we should be able to see some chunks in here somewhere of something like stuff like that right there. Let's see what that is. This is probably just water deposits, like little bits of moisture inside the brake fluid. And this week we're going to use the code word of moisture. That's going to be our code word this week, is going to be moisture. Other bits and pieces. I don't know exactly what all that stuff is. It could be, you know, parts of the lining of the brake lines. It could be pieces of anything associated with the brakes, the inside of it. So we're going to zoom this down into 10x and see what happens here. So let's go down here, put this under 10x. Then go back up and see what we see. This is a little bit more depth here. As you can see, that's probably just pieces of either some moisture buildup, as you can see it right there. This is the stuff you don't want to see in here, so that's why it's always good to change your fluid. And this is going to get inside your seals. You know, when you push your brakes, this fluid travels through the brake lines and, you know, goes into your calipers and your wheel cylinders and your proportioning valves and your ABS box. And this is all the stuff you don't want in your box at all time. And this is the stuff you're trying to prevent. Nobody really tells you to change your brake fluid very often, but as you can see, look at the particles that are in here. My truck only has 51,000 miles on it. And look at all this stuff you're seeing. We went out and grabbed a magnet just to see if any of this is metallic. So that's not metallic, but something looks like it might be metallic in here. See if there's anything else we could find in here. There went something right there. This is probably all just moisture buildup or something from the inside of the lining of the, could be rubber seals, could be part of your, you know, your wheel cylinders, could be part of your calipers. This is why it's very important to change your brake fluid ever so often. And you start to see it change colors, it's better just to pull out some of what's in the reservoir and put it back and just replace it with new. Like there's a piece of something, I don't know what it is, but I'd say what we're seeing today, this week, is going to be, it's going to be moisture buildup. Could be pieces of the inside of the lining, which are metal. You don't want those floating around. We're going to see if we can find anything metal. So far we haven't found anything metal. So it looks like moisture, and moisture is, you know, when you get moisture in the system, it doesn't help your braking system work properly. So that's what we're going to go with this week. See, guys, this is what it looks like under the scope, and this is just a few drops. So very important to keep this updated, changed. I don't see anything metallic in here. But anyway, that's this week's video. Make sure you comment the word moisture below. And this is week 3, 2 more weeks, and we're going to be giving away that GOOLOO Jump Starter with air compressor built in. Make sure you guys comment. Have a good day.